0.375 times 10. Okay, here look, 10 is a number which is power of 10, that is 10 to the power 1 means 10th. So it is easy to multiply, right? This number is less than 1. Look, to mean that this number is less than 1, we have used here 0.375. So to multiply, since this number is power of 10, so count the number of 0. So decimal point will move left to right one digit, that is here. So 3.75 is your answer. Okay, 0.375 times 10 means you need to add 0.375 10 times. That is, you are adding this number 10 times and you will get 3.75. That is, the value of this number is increasing.